Hello guys, and welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be going over how to fix microphone not working in Rainbow Six Siege. And let's get straight into the video. So the first thing that you guys can do is make your way over to the search bar in the bottom left and go ahead and type in settings. From settings you can make your way over to privacy and security, and then from privacy and security what you can do is go ahead and click on microphone. Now just go ahead and make sure that it says microphone access is on. And if microphone access is on, then you guys are good to go. From here, now what you can do is go ahead and also click on let apps access your microphone, and then you can go ahead and back up and go over to system. Now the second method you guys can try doing is scroll down until you see sound. From sound, what you want to do is you want to go ahead and make sure that you have the right microphone selected if on for input, and basically if you have two mics, just choose the right one or the one that you are currently using. What you can also do is go ahead and click on more sound systems or more sound settings and go ahead and go to recording, and then make sure that whatever mic you're using, it has like the check next to it and it's plugged in fully. And if it's not plugged in, just unplug it and plug it back in, and you'll know which mic you have. I'm pretty sure if you talk, like, you could kind of see this mic going up because this is the mic I'm using right now. But other than that, you can go ahead and X out, and always just again make sure that in Rainbow Six Siege settings as well you have the right mic enabled, or right mic used. And once you're done with that, you guys should be good to go and you are all set. So again, just try unplugging and plugging your mic back in. Usually that works as well. And once you do that, you guys are good to go, and that is it for the video. So thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.